is Tulud Crisain E. Navarro with honors. Crisain will receive the following awards: Most Outstanding Athlete of the Year, Outstanding Athlete in Badminton, and special citations for winning in the following events: Champion during the 24th ASPES Meet Women's Volleyball, and Champion in the 24th ASPES Meet Badminton Singles A Girls.